The automotive industry is moving away from manual transmissions, but some cars still offer them for those who enjoy shifting gears themselves. Despite the trend towards automation, there are still new cars available in the U.S. market with manual gearboxes. These vehicles come in various categories and show that manual transmissions are still relevant in today's car market. Each car's overall and performance scores are included to help you choose the best manual transmission car for you. In 2024, the Subaru WRX offers a practical compact performance sedan experience with a 7.5 out of 10 overall score and 7.3 out of 10 performance score. Equipped with a turbocharged 2.4-liter flat-4 engine producing 271 horsepower and a 6-speed manual transmission, this Subaru provides engaging driving dynamics. The standard all-wheel drive makes it a capable option for inclement conditions, while the 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with standard eyesight driver assistance tech, adds to its appeal. The 2024 Nissan Versa is a reliable option for buyers, offering decent fuel efficiency and stable handling at an affordable price point. Its interior boasts sturdy construction, an easy-to-use infotainment system, and a roomy trunk. Powered by a 122-horsepower four-cylinder engine with a standard 5-speed manual transmission, the Versa may not excel in highway performance but is suitable for urban driving. The manual model achieves 27 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway, while the CVT variant is slightly more fuel efficient. In 2024, the Volkswagen Jetta received an overall score of 7.6 out of 10 with a performance score of 6.3 out of 10. The compact sedan offers a spacious cabin, although the materials used are considered dull. It includes a digital instrument panel, 6.5-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, and 2 USB ports. With 14.1 cubic feet of trunk space, the Jetta is competitive in its class. Volkswagen offers a manual transmission for the base 1.5-liter engine, providing a more engaging driving experience. The Jetta GLI variant comes with a more powerful 228-horsepower engine, and all models feature front-wheel drive. The 2024 Kia Forte offers a solid choice in the compact sedan segment with an overall score of 7.7 out of 10 and a performance score of 5.3 out of 10. Its comfortable, high-quality cabin surpasses many competitors' interiors, and it features a user-friendly infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To get the manual transmission, opt for the range-topping GT manual trim, which includes a 201-horsepower Turbo 4 engine, sport-tuned suspension, 18-inch alloy wheels, wireless device charging, synthetic leather upholstery, heated front seats, rear parking sensors, and a Harman Kardon stereo system. In 2024, the Nissan Z received an impressive overall score of 7.9 out of 10, with a high-performance score of 8.5 out of 10. This sharply styled two-seat sports car boasts agile handling and a powerful 400-horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine as standard, delivering energetic acceleration and athletic handling dynamics. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument panel and an intuitive 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with advanced driver assistance features for added convenience and safety. 2024 Volkswagen Golf R. Overall score, 8.0/10, performance score, 8.8 out of 10. The Volkswagen Golf R puts the fun in functionality. Its hatchback layout provides a spacious interior with up to 34.5 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded. The Golf R has an adaptive suspension that blends athleticism with comfort. The Golf R has a turbocharged four-cylinder engine that makes 315 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. Its standard 6-speed manual routes power to VWs for motion all-wheel drive, allowing for sure-footed handling even in inclement conditions. 2024 Ford Mustang. Performance score, 8.0 out of 10. The Ford Mustang has also been redesigned for the 2024 model year and is a more advanced pony car. It has a functional 4-passenger interior, though the rear seats can be tight, and it provides a surprising amount of trunk space. The Mustang comes with a large 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system and Ford Pass Connect, which lets you lock and unlock the vehicle from your smartphone. The Mustang comes with a Turbo 4, but if you opt for one of the V8 models, you'll be rewarded with a 6-speed manual transmission. The GT's 5.0-liter V8 makes 480 horsepower, and the new Dark Horse has an upgraded version of this engine that puts out 500 horsepower. The Dark Horse also includes Brembo performance brakes and a MagneRide adaptive suspension system. 2024 Toyota GR Corolla. Performance score, 8.5 out of 10. The 2024 Toyota GR Corolla is a performance hatchback with a bold design, and it's a blast to drive. It comes with a 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that makes an impressive 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. The GR Corolla comes exclusively with a 6-speed manual transmission and Toyota's GR4 all-wheel drive system, providing enhanced traction. The sport-tuned suspension ensures adept cornering abilities as well. The GR Corolla features a driver-focused interior with sport seats and advanced technology such as a fully digital instrument panel and an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin has 17.8 cubic feet of cargo space and room for 5 people, though the rear seats are best suited for children. 2024 Chevrolet Camaro. Performance score, 9.2 out of 10. The Chevrolet Camaro will be discontinued after the 2024 model year, and that's a shame. But for now, you can get this modern muscle car with a 6-speed manual transmission with every engine offered. This includes the 335 horsepower V6, the 455 horsepower V8 in the LT1, 1SS and 2SS, and the 650 horsepower supercharged V8 in the ZL1. The LT1 is a performance bargain. It features Brembo front brakes and an upgraded performance suspension for a lower starting price than the SS. The range-topping ZL1 boasts magnetic ride control, a limited-slip differential, Recaro front seats, and Brembo performance brakes. 2024 Toyota Supra. Overall score, 8.3 out of 10, performance score, 8.9 out of 10. The 2024 Toyota Supra is an engaging sports car with a well-made interior, though accommodations are cramped. The Supra comes standard with the Turbo 4, but to get the manual, you'll have to bump up to the 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, which makes 382 horsepower. This trim also gets an adaptive sport suspension, Brembo front brakes, and a rear sport differential. The Supra has a functional interior, and the 6-cylinder trim has a 10-speaker stereo and a 14-way power-adjustable driver's seat with memory settings. Top trims have full leather upholstery, a head-up display, and a 12-speaker JBL surround sound stereo.
Before we move on, I want to bring attention to the fact that 79% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. Come on, fam. Hit that subscribe button and support the channel. It really helps out. Moving on.
2024 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Overall score, 8.3 out of 10. Performance score, 8.6 out of 10. The MX-5 Miata is the quintessential affordable, fun-to-drive roadster that keeps things light and simple with a manual convertible top that you can open and close by hand. The Miata has a small, yet functional cockpit that has everything you need and nothing you don't. The 8.8-inch touchscreen has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with connectivity provided by dual USB-C ports. The Miata comes with a 4-cylinder engine that makes 181 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. That might not sound like much, but it's plenty to get the lightweight Miata up to speed. The standard 6-speed manual offers crisp gear changes, contributing to this roadster's joyous driving dynamics. 2024 Mazda 3. Overall score is 8.5 out of 10, performance score, 8.4 out of 10. The Mazda 3 is a small car that punches above its weight. It has a refined interior that could be confused with that of an entry-level luxury car. The user-friendly infotainment system is nestled elegantly into the center of the dash. This Mazda also has dynamic handling that is engaging but never harsh. The only version of the Mazda 3 that features the manual is the 2.5S Premium Hatchback. This 6-speed manual connects to the base 191 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. Though you can't get it with the upgraded turbocharged engine, this base power unit delivers ample power for getting up to highway speeds, driving around town, or carving up a winding back road. 2024 Acura Integra. Overall score, 8.6 out of 10, performance score, 7.9 out of 10. After a hiatus of more than 2 decades, the Acura Integra returned for the 2023 model year. It carries over into 2024 with one major addition to the lineup. The Integra features an upscale and spacious cabin that is refreshingly functional and outfitted with user-friendly infotainment technology. The Integra also provides refined yet athletic handling. The Integra comes standard with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that makes 200 horsepower, routed to the front wheels through a continuously variable transmission. If you want the 6-speed manual, you'll need to opt for the A-Spec with technology package, which also features an upgraded audio system, wireless device charging, and synthetic suede upholstery. 2024 Subaru BRZ. Overall score, 8.6 out of 10, performance score, 8.7 out of 10. The Subaru BRZ is a lightweight and fun sports car with 4 seats and a usable trunk. The rear seats are tight, but they're helpful in a pinch. The cockpit is functional and comes with an intuitive touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The BRZ's engine is a 2.4-liter horizontally opposed flat-4 that makes 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. The optional automatic transmission is quicker in a straight line, but the standard 6-speed manual allows you to get the most out of the BRZ on the track or a winding back road. 2024 Toyota GR86. Overall score, 8.6 out of 10, performance score, 8.7 out of 10. The Toyota GR86 is the counterpart to the BRZ, and the two are nearly identical, save for the badges and some styling tweaks. It has a tight rear seat that might be best used as extra storage space, and the cabin has straightforward controls that minimize driver distraction. The GR86 has a Subaru-sourced flat-4 engine that makes 288 horsepower, sent to the rear wheels through a standard 6-speed manual transmission. For 2024, the GR86 adds the Trueno Edition trim, as well as an optional performance package. Both include Brembo brakes and sax dampers. 2024 Hyundai Elantra N. Overall score, 8.6 out of 10, performance score, 8.9 out of 10. The Hyundai Elantra N has emerged as a fantastic performance compact sedan, boasting a 276 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, as well as an adaptive suspension, a limited slip differential, and a rear strut brace. It should be noted that while the rear seats fold down, that strut brace limits the ability to load larger items. The Elantra N offers a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. The manual has rev-matching, which allows for smoother downshifts. The Elantra N also has several drive modes that tune the throttle response, steering feel, suspension settings, and even the exhaust sound. 2024 Volkswagen GTI. Overall score, 8.6 out of 10, performance score, 9.3 out of 10. The Volkswagen GTI is considered one of the original examples of a hot hatch, adding performance equipment to a functional hatchback design. The GTI provides a spacious interior with 19.9 cubic feet behind the rear seats and up to 34.5 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. The GTI comes with a 241 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. To get the 6-speed manual, you'll need to opt for the 380 equipment package, which also adds summer performance tires, a black-painted roof, and a DCC adaptive damping system. 2024 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing. Overall score, 8.6 out of 10, performance score, 9.6 out of 10. In Cadillac parlance, Blackwing represents the top tier of its performance offerings, and in the case of the CT4-V Blackwing, that means a twin-turbocharged 3.6-liter V6 that puts out 472 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. Power is routed to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. In addition to the potent powertrain, the CT4-V Blackwing includes a performance suspension, Brembo brakes, and unique aerodynamic bodywork. Inside, this vehicle features synthetic leather upholstery, heated sport front seats, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 2024 Honda Civic. Overall score, 8.7 out of 10. Performance score, 8.2 out of 10. The Honda Civic is one of the top compact cars thanks to its spacious, refined interior and long list of standard features. All models have an intuitive touchscreen infotainment system, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure warning. A manual transmission is available in the hatchback version of the Civic Sport and the Sport Touring. The Sport trim comes with a 158 horsepower 4-cylinder engine, and the Sport Touring comes with a 180 horsepower Turbo 4, as well as a larger touchscreen, wireless device charging, and 3 additional USB ports. 2024 Honda Civic Type R. Overall score, 9.2 out of 10. Performance score, 9.6 out of 10. The Integra Type S provides a terrific blend of refinement and performance, but if you just crave the latter, the Honda Civic Type R is the racy hatchback of your dreams. It has aggressive styling, including options like a large carbon fiber wing and forged 19-inch wheels. All versions of the Type R include a wireless device charging, a fully digital instrument panel, and an intuitive touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The beating heart of the Civic Type R is a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that puts out 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. A 6-speed manual transmission with rev-matching sends power to the front wheels. The Type R is a blast to pilot through corners thanks to its adaptive damping system and Brembo performance brakes.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, go ahead and hit the like button if you caught that reference.